In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your iPhone's not being detected in iTunes. So typically what should happen is you should be able to plug your iPhone into your computer, and as long as you have iTunes up and running, it should come up with the connection. So you can see in the top left hand side, I have this mobile phone icon and I can go and click on this and this will take me over to my iPhone settings. Now if this doesn't work for you, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and fix this issue. Now the first thing we need to do is make sure there's no issue with the cable that's connecting our computer to our iPhone. So what you need to do is disconnect the end that's going into your iPhone, and you can try rotating the cable 180 degrees, and you can try plugging this back into your iPhone. You could also do the same with your laptop connection as well. Just go and remove the cable and then rotate it 180 degrees. Once you plug it back in, you can check to see if it solves the issue. If it's still not working, you can always try using another cable as well. Sometimes a faulty or a damaged cable could be the issue, it's not connecting. Now if it's still not working, the next solution is just to go and soft reset the iPhone. Now to do that, we just need to go and press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then you need to hold down the lock screen button on the right hand side of your phone, and you're going to continue to hold that lock screen button down for around about 30 seconds. So initially you'll see the slide to power off button appear. We're just going to ignore that and keep holding the lock screen button down. Eventually the screen will go black, and just keep holding the button down until the Apple logo appears. Once the Apple logo appears, you can go and release your finger from the lock button. You can try turning your phone back on and checking if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, another solution is to come over to the start menu on your computer. You can then search for device manager and click on this window here. You then need to click on the drop down arrow next to portable devices, and you should see your iPhone in this list. If you don't see portable devices, that's probably because your iPhone's not being detected, but if you do see your iPhone in this list, this is a good sign. It means the connection is actually working. So what we're going to do is right click on the iPhone and press uninstall device. You can then press uninstall, and once this has been uninstalled, we just need to go in and disconnect the iPhone from the USB-C cable. You can try plugging it back into your computer and to your iPhone, and that's going to reinstall the device to your system. Now once you've done that, you can open back up iTunes and you can check to see if it's now working. If you're still having an issue, the next solution is to open up the settings on your iPhone, and we're going to scroll down and click on General, and then scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal information. We're simply going to reset the privacy settings. So go and click on the Reset button and click on Reset Location and Privacy. You'll then just need to enter the passcode to your iPhone, and this will fix the issue where sometimes the trust this computer message, sometimes it doesn't appear on your iPhone, and this will actually go and fix that issue. So once you've reset your settings, you can go and reconnect the cable back into your device, and once again go and check to see if it solves the issue. If you have tried everything so far and it's still not working, the final solution is you just need to go and delete Apple Music or Apple TV from your computer. If you have either of these applications installed, so either Apple Music or Apple TV as well, both of these applications can actually cause compatibility issues with iTunes, so make sure to uninstall these from your device, and once you've done that, that should go and solve the issue. So let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.